Hi guys, welcome to the module 3 of Architecture Revit. In this module, we'll be talking about setting up levels, importing CAD files, linking CAD files, setting columns, and modifying walls, etc. So in this lecture, I'll be talking about setting up levels. So before setting up levels, first you should make sure your units are set to meters. So UN is the shortcut. Press UN. Set this to meters and 2 decimal, and click on OK. To set up the levels, you should go to the elevation. I'll go to the east elevation. You can see here that there are 2 levels already created. You can see this on floor plan also, level 1 and level 2. I need this level 2. Level 2 is basically the first floor and level 1 is the ground floor. So I need this level to be 3.5 meters. The height of the room should be 3.5. So in order to change that, I'll just click on this, double click and just write 3.5. Then you can see that the level is the height is 3.5. I need to name this as would you like to rename corresponding? Click on yes, so that all the level 1 will change to GL. You can see the change. And similarly, I need this as again yes. I have 2 layers with precisely height. So if I need to create another floor or 2-3 more, so how to do that? Press LL as the shortcut. LL is the command to create new levels. Then click on this pick line option or create line. In create line, you need to just draw a line like this and where you need to place. So avoid doing that. Use instead we'll do one thing. We'll use this pick line option. Pick line is that you just need to create we need to click a line and use offset command, and the level will be created on its own. So I'll use this pick line option and I want an offset of 3.5 meters from level first. So now you can see a dotted line above first floor. So you need to make sure that your arrow is above the line. If it's below the line, so you can see that it's overlapping with the ground floor. So I don't need that. I need it above the first floor. So I'll hover it over the first floor level. So I'll click on that. The another level is created and its offset is 3.5. It's already 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. So here again I'll create one more. Similarly, if you need floors, n number of floors, you can just keep on clicking. See, instead I have created a level 7 here. If I by mistake do this, you can see that level 8 is created here. So to avoid that, you need to make sure you click it above the layer. So this is how you create